Been driving about 2 hours from Reno back to Sacramento, doing about 70 miles. And barely took any gas right there, just like a tiny bit. It has overdrive. Oil pressure is good. Temperature is good. Right there. We are going back to Sacramento from Reno. I passed Applegate, so right there. We are in a 2004 on a Ford E450 Super Duty chassis. It's made by Forest River Lexington, Grand Touring Series. 270 is the model. Been driving like 2 hours, 75 miles. Steering wheel very good. No shaking, no rattling, whatever.